Hello and welcome to the third of the StingRay Masterclass video tutorials. Today's feature we're going to be focusing on is the job ticket feature, which is particularly useful if you're wanting to capture job specific information in the web browser when your customers are submitting files to you. Particularly useful if you've got a switch workflow, something like Dial and Twist, Automation Engine or Oddistar, or if you're using an MIS system if you're a print company. We can capture job specific information that's particularly useful for you with the files that have been uploaded. So one of the key features really for StingRay and differentiates it from a number of file transfer technologies. So we'll take you through how to create your job tickets and how to assign them to specific users, specific customers, and then show you where that information is presented later on within StingRay's interface. Hope you like this feature and find it useful.
Okay, so to start off with, we'll log into StingRay's internal web interface as the administrator and navigate to the job ticket section underneath workflow management. Let's create a new ticket and call it test. Now, for the purposes of the video, we'll create a ticket that has 4 fields in it. We'll start off with a text field. You can see under the ticket design section you've got name, which is displayed in the external web interface. XML key is the tag used when the job ticket is created, and the field can be optional or mandatory. Okay, so from the drop down here you can see that there's a number of different types of fields that we can create. We'll just create another text field, adding in the XML key again, and we'll make this one a mandatory field too. Let's add a date field in there. We'll make that a mandatory field. And finally, let's add in a select or a drop-down menu option for the job ticket. So this gives us the option on the right-hand side to enter multiple variations or details that you want your customer to select. Let's add a few locations in here. Okay, and to finish off with, we'll put a statement in there, please select, and then we'll move that to the top of the list, and that will be displayed as default. That will be the default value. Okay, that's showing correctly. Let's make that mandatory too, and save. And finally, we need to assign the job ticket to the address entry. So we select the address entry on the left-hand side and move it to the right and click save. Right, so here we're going to log into the StingRay's external web interface as your customer would, and you'll see that as soon as you've logged in, you're presented with the job ticket form that we've just created. It shows the 4 fields. Now, we've made all of those fields mandatory, so at this stage, after completing the email, if we click on the Upload Files button, we'll see that it won't allow us to proceed, and we've got to complete the final 2 fields. Okay, so if I click on Upload Files now, it presents us with a page to select files to upload. I just select the screenshots here and scroll to the bottom and click Upload, and then we're presented with the confirmation that the file selected has been uploaded. So I'm going to log out now. Okay, back in the internal web interface, we navigate to the incoming jobs queue, and you can see the file that's been uploaded via the web interface. And we can see that StingRay's automatically created an XML ticket which we'll download and open using Komodo Edit. Okay, and here we can see the XML job ticket and the opening and closing XML tags around the data that's been input via the external web interface.
Okay, and that brings to an end the StingRay Masterclass video. I hope you found it useful. Next week's video will take it one step further so we can see how those XML tickets that you've created with the job ticket can be used within a workflow. We'll show you some examples within Focus Switch. We're a Switch certified partner, so it makes sense for us to show you that medium, but it could also be Automation Engine, Dial and Twist. All the job tickets that StingRay creates have been certified and are usable within a variety of workflow tools and mechanisms out there. If you need any assistance with setting up StingRay, obviously please don't hesitate to give us a call. Contact details are on your screen now, and we look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you.